Hello, Larry here from the Champaign Insurance Agency. Continuing on our weekly videos here, I'm going to cover why most Michigan basement water claims aren't covered unless you add this. So most Michigan basement water claims aren't actually floods; they are sewer or sump backups, and those are not covered unless you have the right endorsement. There's a difference between floods and water backup coverage. Flood is essentially water coming from the outside in, and water backup coverage covers water coming into the house through drains, etc., etc. Here's where a lot of homeowners get tripped up. There are two completely different types of water problems. You have water backup, like a sump pump failure or sewer backing up into your basement. Flooding, water coming in from outside, like rising groundwater or heavy rain. Water backup is an optional coverage on your homeowner's policy, and it comes with a specific dollar amount. Flooding, that's a whole separate policy entirely, and that is something we can help you out with as well. So if you don't have water backup added or your limit is too low, you could be on the hook for water damage in your basement or from backed up drains. We saw this homeowner in Dearborn. They had a beautifully finished basement, new flooring, drywall, and even a small wet bar. After a heavy storm, the sewer, where it drains out all the water, backed up, came into the house. The total cost for that cleanup, mitigation, and repairs was over $18,000. Their policy only had $5,000 in water backup coverage. Insurance paid the $5,000 minus the deductible. The rest, over $13,000, came out of their pocket to get that um, remediated and replaced. If they had increased their limit to 25,000, they would have been fully covered. The cost difference, about $9 a month. So speak to us. Let us know what you have in your basement, what you have in your lowest floor of your house. How finished is it? Do you have electronics, new drywall, new carpeting, etc., etc.? This is one of those coverages where the gap between protected and being exposed is a small monthly fee, but the gap during a claim can be tens of thousands of dollars. Nobody wants to pay for it until they need it, and when they need it, they want to make sure they have the right coverage. What to do? If you have a basement, um, a finished basement, a sump pump, or anything of value downstairs, you should be looking at least $15,000 to $25,000 in water backup, and consider a battery backup for your sump pump too if you have one, because power outages and storms often go together. If you're not sure what limit makes sense, just tell us what's in your basement. We can help you size the coverage to the risk before there's a claim. Again, Larry here with the Champaign Agency. Have a wonderful day.